My heart is stirred by a noble theme as I recite my verses for my King. My heart is stirred by a noble theme, and my tongue is like a skillful writer's pen. You are the most excellent of all men. Your lips are anointed with grace. Since God has blessed you forever, gird your sword on your side, mighty one, and clothe yourself in majesty, in splendor riding forth victoriously. For truth and for justice and for humility, let your right hand display awesome deeds. Let your arrows pierce the hearts of the king's enemies. Let nations all fall down beneath your feet. Your throne, Almighty God, will last forevermore. The scepter of justice will be the scepter of your throne. Righteousness and you hate evil, so God has set you over all your friends, and all your robes are fragrant sweet, with aloes and with cassia and myrrh. From palaces all adorned with ivory, the music of strings makes you glad. Daughters of kings are among your honored maids. At your right hand in gold, the royal bride.
You're listening to Chava Messianic Radio, the very best Messianic Jewish and Hebrew Roots radio on the web.